LinkedIn have introduced a brand new feature on the LinkedIn introductory card on your personal profile that is going to help you to get more leads and sales directly from LinkedIn. My name is Louise Brogan. I'm the host of LinkedIn with Louise, and my job here is to teach you how to use LinkedIn to raise your profile, get more visibility, and get more leads and sales in your business. So what is this new feature on the LinkedIn platform? So let's dive over to LinkedIn and we'll go straight to the LinkedIn introductory card. LinkedIn introductory card is this whole big piece at the top of your LinkedIn profile. And if you are good at attention to detail, you will have spotted that there is a clickable link on my introductory card here where it says level up your LinkedIn. What is this about? First of all, the caveat is you need to have LinkedIn creator mode turned on in order to have this functionality on your LinkedIn personal profile. If you don't know what LinkedIn creator mode is, I do have a video explaining that right here on the channel. Go and check that out. To turn on creator mode, you scroll down to resources and turn on creator mode. It also gives you access to LinkedIn Live and LinkedIn newsletters, as well as other features. What we're looking at today, this brand new feature, it's the clickable link on the top of your LinkedIn personal profile. How do you get hold of it? So if you can't see one on your profile, you haven't added it yet. So number one, remember, turn on creator mode. And number two, here's how you add this clickable link. You go to the little pencil at the top of your introductory card, and in here you will see all the fields that you need in your introductory card. So your name, your audio recording, which is where you can record a little message to your people who visit your profile. Your pronouns, if you want to include those, there is a video all about that on the channel as well. And let's just scroll down to the very bottom and you will see this area here. It says website. Add a link that will appear at the top of your profile. So you can add in, this is really interesting, you can add in whatever link you want on here. So it could be a link to your YouTube channel, it could be a link to your website, to your landing page, whatever you want. So I'll just show you how I can change this. So if I wanted to put in a link to my YouTube channel, let's type that in here. And then you don't have to put in the link text, but you can. So you can leave it free and not put anything at all. But I recommend that you do add something in here. So if my goal for people visiting my profile is to get more people to go over to YouTube and check out my videos, that is what I'm going to put in here. The goal is for people to take action on this. So you can actually change this as much and as often as you want. So what I'm going to put on today is check out my YouTube channel. So I'll just start typing. Check out my, make sure you have no typos. And that is 28 characters. I'm going to click save. And how does it look? Check out my YouTube channel. So it's a direct link for people who visit my profile to go and check out my YouTube channel. As I say, you can change this as often as you want, and you can update it whenever you want as well. And you might think, well, that's not bringing me very many views, so I'm going to edit it and change it. And let's have a look at some other people and what they've put in their clickable link. And you can see here, Dory Clark, who is a Wall Street Journal best-selling author, has used this to put in a link to her website, which is very interesting because they have not used any other text. They've literally put in the link to their website. So let me know in the comments below what you're going to use this feature for, and have you seen it appearing on other people's profiles yet? My name is Louise Brogan. I love answering your questions on LinkedIn. If you have got any questions that you would like me to create content to help you answer here on the channel, then do let me know. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.